Transmission impairment. Whenever we send some signal over a transmission medium, whatever the signal which is sent is not same as the signal which is received at the destination. That means there may be some signal will be lost. These are actually transmission impairment. There are three types of transmission impairments are there: attenuation, distortion, and noise. Okay, there are three types of impairments, transmission impairments: attenuation, distortion, and noise. We will learn that one by one. The first one is called as attenuation. Attenuation means the loss of energy. Okay, the signal may be either simple or it may be a composite signal. Whenever it travels through a medium, it will lose its energy. Why this happens? Because this is a transmission medium. Every transmission medium has some type of resistance, maybe very less, but it has some resistance. Whenever you transmit some signal here, the energy of that signal will be goes on decrease, and whatever the energy lost, it is converted into heat energy. At the destination, what happens? The signal energy is very less. So this type of impairment is actually called as attenuation. Due to some resistance, the signal energy goes on decrease. This is called as attenuation. To overcome the attenuation problem, we are using amplifiers. It will increase the energy of that signal and send it to the next point. The next impairment is called as distortion. What is the meaning of distortion? Distortion generally happens in composite signals. This type of impairment is generally displayed in composite signals. Distortion means the signal changes its form or shape. It will change its form or shape. Okay, what happens actually? This is an example for composite signal. Composite signal is actually a composition of different sine waves. Each sine wave has its own frequency. Now see, using these three sine waves, this composite signal is created here. We are sending the data in the form of this composite signal. But when you receive it at the destination, its shape is changed. Compare this one with this one. Its shape is changed. Why this happens? Because each signal here having its own frequency. When it will travel through some medium, due to some propagation speed, the propagation speed of each signal is different. Whenever you send this signal over a medium, the propagation speed of each of this signal will be different. So what happens? Some signals will be reached at the destination first, some signals will be reached at the destination later. So some delay occurs. Some delay occurs on each of these frequencies. So the shape of the signal will be changed at the destination. If you see properly here, each signal has the same phase. Starting from 0 goes up, starting from 0 goes up, like that. Each are having same phase. But at the destination, whenever it reaches, the signal will change its phase. That is called as phase shift occurs. If you see here, 90-degree phase shift is there, 180-degree phase shift is there, due to which the shape of that signal will be changed here. That is the impairment called as distortion. The next impairment is called as noise. The next impairment is actually called as noise. There are different types of noise are there. First one is thermal noise, induced noise, crosstalk, and impulse noise. Okay, what is the meaning of thermal noise? In medium, some electrons are randomly moving. In medium, some electrons are randomly moving, which will generate some type of signal called as extra signal. Due to this extra signal generated in the medium, the signal which is sent by the transmitter is actually changed. Okay, that is called as actually thermal noise. The second type of noise is called as induced noise. Okay, whenever the signal is transmitting, if any motors or some appliances, motors means grinder or say anything, big motors, or appliances means here some ovens or some devices used, okay, due to which some induction noise occurs. In this case, these devices act like a antenna which is sending the noise signal, and our transmission medium act as a antenna which is receiving, and our actual signal will be damaged. The next one is called as crosstalk. Whenever two wires overlap with each other, one wire acts as a sending antenna and another wire acts as a receiving antenna, due to which noise will be created. One wire over another wire. Okay, one wire over another wire. Here some type of noise will be created due to crosstalk. Impulse noise. Impulse noise means some type of spike that comes from the power lines or lightning. Whenever any lightning occurs, whenever this is the medium, whenever any lightning occurs or some power problem occurs, a spike will be created. That due to this, noise will be created. Now, this is the example here. Okay.